Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use this great effect called the mounting, where the camera pans forward into the mouth of the subject here. So all you have to do is to go to this Higgsfield AI. Now this Higgsfield AI does a whole lot. It's the one of the in fact I would say it's the best VFX AI website there is out there. So all you have to do is to go here, click on visual effects after signing in or signing up. So once you're done, just click on the mount in. Once you click on the mount in, you'll be brought to a page like this where you have to just select any of these videos if you want to, if this is the exact video you want to create. But if not, you just click on generate and you'll be brought to a page where you have to, or you can just upload your image in this area. So after uploading your image, you can describe your scene in this section here and then choose your model. You can also click on generate. After this generation costs you 5 credits, and after that you see your video appear just like you can see mine appearing here. So it depends on what you want. So